Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to compare Tally Prime versus Zoho Books accounting software. If you're trying to decide between these two platforms for your business, understanding their pricing structures and features side by side is essential for making the right choice. Let's start by exploring Zoho Books first. Open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the home page, log into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. This will give you access to the full platform and all its features. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll spot a gear icon. This is your settings menu, so go ahead and click on it. The settings menu is where you can access all the configuration options and account details for your Zoho Books setup. Within the settings menu, you'll notice a search bar positioned at the top of the page. Click on it and type in subscription. From the search results that appear, look for Manage Subscription and click on it. This will take you directly to the subscription management area. A new tab will open displaying all the plans and subscription tiers that Zoho Books offers. Take your time here to read through the pricing and features for each plan carefully. Pay attention to what's included at each level, the user limits, transaction caps, and any additional features that might be relevant to your business needs. Now that you have a clear picture of what Zoho Books offers, it's time to compare it with Tally Prime. Open a new browser tab and type in tallysolutions.com. Once you're on the Tally Solutions homepage, look at the top menu and click on Pricing. This section will display the different plans available for Tally Prime. From here, you'll see various subscription options that you can review and compare directly with what you saw in Zoho Books. Focus on the features you need most, the pricing differences, and all the inclusions that come with each plan. Tally Prime typically offers different licensing models, so understanding these options is crucial. Additionally, you can use the filter option to set your region. This is particularly useful because pricing can vary significantly depending on your location, and seeing region-specific pricing will give you a more accurate comparison for your decision-making process. By reviewing both platforms this way, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed choice between Tally Prime and Zoho Books based on your specific accounting requirements and budget. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.